Hello, and welcome to another edition of Kryptonite. I'm Colton, and today I'm with Leo. How you doing today?
Oh, very well, Colton, and welcome back to everybody to our Kryptonite channel. So today we are going to talk about the Theta Network. So what's Theta Network, Colton?
Yeah, if you're not familiar with Theta, it is basically a decentralized video streaming network powered by blockchain technology. You can watch video content and earn tokens by sharing internet bandwidth and computing resources on a peer-to-peer basis. Theta Network operates on a dual token design, Theta and TFUEL. Theta is the native governance token used for staking as a validator or guardian node. Validator nodes are operated by companies like Google, Blockchain Ventures, Samsung, Sony Europe, and Binance, alongside community-run Guardian nodes. Staking and operating nodes allow users to earn a proportional amount of new Theta Fuel. TFUEL, the operational token of Theta protocol used for on-chain transactions and rewarding edge node relayers.
Thank you very much, Colton. What about some information regarding the history and performance of this platform?
Yes, so the Theta token and blockchain were announced on Medium in November 2017. The first Theta token sale took place in January 2018 as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum platform. Theta Network launched its own mainnet in March 2019. Mainnet 2.0 was introduced in May 2020, which included the addition of Guardian nodes to complement enterprise validators. Mainnet 2.0 also enhanced the capabilities of the Theta Edge node network with the release of Theta's peer-to-peer EdgeCast technology. The EdgeCast technology allows for capture, real-time transcoding, caching, and global relay of live video data without the need for central servers or services. Mainnet 3.0 was launched in July 2021, introducing smart contract capabilities for the Theta network. The addition of smart contracts aims to increase user engagement and retention on the platform. Smart contracts on Theta can enable various features such as digitalized item ownership, innovative payment consumption models, transparent royalty distributions, and trustless crowdfunding mechanisms. This smart contract capability provides an additional layer of social and economic interaction to complement the core functionality of video and data delivery on the Theta network. Theta network has institutional investors like Node Capital and DHVC, and advisors including Steve Chen, co-founder of YouTube, and Justin Kan, co-founder of Twitch. The video streaming services on Theta rely on a distributed network of users who contribute their space bandwidth and computing resources in exchange for Theta Fuel, or also known as TFuel rewards. Theta utilizes a modified proof-of-stake consensus mechanism with a multi-BFT design. The multi-BFT design combines a committee of 20 to 30 validator nodes with thousands of Guardian nodes, resulting in faster approvals compared to the traditional proof-of-work networks. Theta's content storage and delivery capabilities are powered by Theta's nodes operated by community members. Theta Edge nodes enable live video capture, transcoding, content relay, and global bandwidth sharing without centralized servers. The Theta Edge network, consisting of approximately 30,000 nodes, serves as the backbone for Theta's P2P content sharing ecosystem. Theta supports turning complete smart contracts, allowing for the development of decentralized applications on the network. The Theta token minter simplifies the process of creating new tokens on the Theta blockchain, inviting a wide range of dApps and assets to be built on the protocol. Theta aims to address issues faced by traditional video streaming systems, such as poor quality and inefficiencies. Centralized platforms often suffer from infrastructure limitations, high cost, and poor user experience, resulting in lower earnings for content creators. Theta Network disrupts the centralized video streaming industry by relying on a distributed network of users whose contributions are rewarded at the end of the day. So it can be traded on any centralized crypto exchange. The most popular probably is Bitmart. Other popular options are DigiFinex and Binance. The all-time high price was about $15.72 in April 16th, 2021. The all-time low price was 0.040 on March 13th, 2020. The market cap is $732 million. The total supply is 1 billion, the max supply is 1 billion, and the circulating supply is currently 1 billion as well. The market sentiment of Theta is bullish.
Thank you very much, Cotton. What about some important information regarding the video streaming offered by the Theta Network and some on-chain data?
Yeah, so Theta Network moved its video streaming service to Web 3.0. Web 1.0 was the early days of the internet, while Web 2.0 was characterized by the rise of e-commerce, mobile apps, and social media led by major tech companies like Facebook, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Apple. Web 3.0 is a reaction against the dominance of these tech giants. It aims to address their dominance on the market. Streaming content has become extremely popular, while platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and Netflix are accounting for a significant proportion of internet traffic. Content delivery networks are critical for delivering internet content, including streaming, but they face challenges such as user overload, network strain, and high maintenance costs. Theta is the world's first decentralized video network that uses blockchain technology to address the shortcomings of streaming and video on demand. Theta operates as a peer-to-peer mesh network where users can volunteer their spare bandwidth and computing resources to relay videos to others. Theta video relayers, called edge nodes or caching nodes, are geographically closer to users, providing superior streaming quality and lower cost compared to centralized CDNs. Users who contribute their bandwidth to Theta Network can earn tokens of rewards for their participation. Theta TV, similar to Twitch, and if you're not familiar with Twitch, it's a streaming service. A lot of people stream video games, but also people sit there and stream and, just sit in their room and talk as well. But it is a very, very popular platform, if you're not familiar with it, is the leading application on Theta Network, allowing users to earn rewards for laying streams to others. Theta has partnerships with companies like Samsung VR, Pandora, and MGM, who are utilizing network for their streaming and video needs. So as you guys can see here, here's a global consumer internet traffic from 2015 to 2020. As you can see, internet video has skyrocketed in terms of the growth. As you see, from 2015 to 2020, I mean, it's a huge, huge growth. And as you can see, yes, everything else is kind of growing too as well, web, email, and data and file sharing. But the biggest thing is internet video. And that's really where Theta comes into play. And like I said, Twitch has a new competitor. It's called Kick. It's backed by one of the biggest online gambling companies. Actually, it's also owned by some crypto people too as well. It's called Stake. But yeah, they do have some competitors in this. Theta's one too, I guess, as well now too. Not really competitors since they work together, but streaming your games, streaming, talking, whatever it is, it has really changed since 2015, and it's only gotten stronger. For instance, there's a huge battle between Twitch and Kick right now. Kick is stealing people from Twitch. They paid a guy recently a 2-year, $100 million contract. That's really what it's coming down to. You can make a lot of money being a streamer nowadays. Traditional CDN versus Theta model. As you can see here, there's just a couple viewers, blah, 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 whatever, for Theta though, at the end of the day, as you see, there's caching nodes, then there's some viewers, there's another caching node, and then there's some more viewers as well. And again, you earn rewards for your bandwidth, for your computing resources, etc. And that is the benefit of streaming something on Theta versus a Twitch versus a Kick, whatever it may be that you're using. As you can see here, this will be in the PowerPoint too as well. You can see what people are doing. It's kind of, again, if you're familiar with Twitch, it has a very similar feeling to Twitch and Kick as well too. So you just go on there, you click on the link, watch the video, whatever it may be, and you can start earning rewards. Now we're going to discuss Theta versus Ethereum and some statistics between them. Theta's real volume is up about 18% for the last month, where Ethereum is up about 33%. Theta's market cap dominance is down about 1.17%, where Ethereum is down about 4.28%. Theta Sharp ratio is up about 99%, and Ethereum's is up about 215%. Theta's volatility is up about 18%, and Ethereum's volatility is up about 20%.
Thank you very much, Colton. And what about the latest news, even if it's not so latest, but this is what actually you can find regarding the DePIN sector map, and it's from January 19th.
Yeah, so if you're not familiar with DePIN, it is a decentralized physical infrastructure network. It is the next step in the evolution of crypto-based networks. It's building on the success of decentralized protocols, coordinating and incentivizing activity in the digital realm. DePIN networks leverage crypto-economic protocols for the development of real-world physical infrastructure and hardware networks. DePIN networks such as Proof of Physical Work, POPW, Token Incentivized Physical Instruction Networks, TIPIN and EdgeFi networks offer a bottom-up approach that is more equitable and efficient compared to traditional top-down deployment models. The DePIN economic model solves the chicken and egg problem by using token rewards to motivate individuals to bootstrap the supply side of the network, leading to the adoption by end users. The DePIN sector can be categorized in four main areas: server, which is the cloud networks, wireless networks, sensor networks, and energy networks. Server networks consist of groups of computers providing web-based services, including storage networks, computing networks, content delivery networks, and virtual private networks. Wireless networks, known as decentralized wireless or DY networks, aim to transform the way communication between networks are built and operated. This includes cellular, Wi-Fi, LoRa, Bluetooth positioning, and hybrid networks. Sensor networks utilize interconnected devices embedded with sensors to collect real-time data from the physical world. This data can include environmental, weather, vehicle, traffic, and imagery data. Energy networks aggregate distributed energy sources and utilize virtual power plants to create a resilient and efficient energy grid. VPPs consist of batteries and controllable load resources that balance power supply and demand. The total addressable market for DePIN is estimated to be over 2.2 trillion, projected to reach about 3.5 trillion by 2028. So here you can see decentralized physical instruction networks. This will be in the PowerPoint. Feel free to take a look at this. This will be on Twitter. This will also be in the description too as well on the YouTube video. Same thing here. You can get a little more understanding. This will be in the YouTube description, and also it will be on Twitter if you'd like to take a look as well.
Thank you very much, Colton. And can you stake Theta Network?
So yes, you can, Leo. As you guys can see here, you can do it on a centralized exchange. This one is KuCoin, and as you can see, you can get about a 2% APY. Again, it's up to you guys to make your own decision here on how you guys want to move forward with staking. But to me, it's not worth losing your whole portfolio for 2%. But again, that's a decision you guys need to make. Go on Discord, go watch some other YouTube videos, whatever you need to do to make an educated decision, feel free. But again, is 2% really worth losing your entire portfolio at the end of the day? Here you can see what is on Theta's website. So you can store your Theta, T-Fuel, and T-Drop tokens securely and easily. It's pretty easy. You send, receive, and earn with a variety of wallets. You can connect a web wallet, an iOS wallet, an Android wallet, a Chrome extension, and MetaMask. Just so you guys are aware, there is no in terms of APY or anything like that on their website. So this is, all the information we can provide directly to you guys. We believe once you connect your MetaMask or, Android wallet, iOS wallet, whatever it may be, you may get specific numbers, but for now, this is, what we could provide you guys.
Thank you very much, Colton. And what about price prediction for the next few years regarding to this platform?
Yeah, realistically, Leo, we see it hitting about a 16x by 2030. And Tech News Leader, Digital Coin Price and Price Prediction kind of agree with us as well. And again, just so everyone's clear, this is a perfect utopia. This is, no outside conditions affect anything or anything like that. But realistically, in 2024, we should be anywhere from $1.45 to $1.80. In 2026, we should be anywhere from about $3.10 to $3.30. In 2028, this is where the jump kind of happens. We can be at about $3.88 all the way up to $6.70. And in 2030, we can be anywhere from about $7.40 to about $14.45. And again, I think this project has a lot of potential. I don't think streaming is going away, regardless of, Netflix, everyone else doing their, their password, you can't share your password, blah, blah, blah. Streaming is here. That's the future. That's what it's going to be. And specifically streaming video games, streaming just to talk, K-Cent is another big streamer who just sits there and is usually in his room and just discusses things, responds to questions on chat, whatever it may be. But this really is the future. I think this is how people are going to get their information. If you're not familiar with it, it is a new space, but realistically, kids, and this is huge, not even just kids, but, young adults, they, use Twitch, they use Kick, they use all these streaming services to watch people play video games, watch their favorite players, discuss things in the chat. This is the future. So at the end of the day, being backed by Twitch is huge for Theta. That is huge at the end of the day. One thing that Twitch does lack is video quality. So that's where Theta comes into play too as well, because you can't really stream in 4K unless you got this massive computer, because you're also playing a video game. You're also responding to chat. It'll destroy your CPU and your memory on that. So this is where this comes into play. And again, I think this has a very good opportunity. But again, this is a perfect utopia at the end of the day. But that's all I have for today, Leo. Thank you very much. I don't want you guys to forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video, but that's it for me today.
Thank you very much, Colton. Thank you all for watching our videos, and see you for our next one on Kryptonite channel. Thank you. Bye.
I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.